Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we will show you how to redeem Airbnb gift card. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.com. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here, you will see an option for Payments and Payouts. Click on Payments and Payouts. Next, on this page, scroll down a little. You will then see a section for Airbnb gift credit. Below it is a button that says Add Gift Card. Click on Add Gift Card. You will then be redirected to this page. On the field provided, enter the PIN of the gift card you wish to redeem. Once the PIN is entered, click on Redeem Gift Card. That's how you redeem your Airbnb gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.